Maximize your earning potential, exploring freelancing, e-commerce, and affiliate marketing opportunities. Welcome to the world of online earning, where your skills turn into income. Freelancing is your first gateway, offering endless opportunities. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are treasure troves. Here, writing, design, coding, or assisting virtually shines bright. Next up, e-commerce, your digital storefront. Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon can be your allies. Sell anything, from gadgets to crafts, with ease. No inventory? No problem. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without stocking up. A seamless bridge between supplier and customer. But there's more. Affiliate marketing, a pathway to earning through promotion. Recommend products, share links, and earn commissions effortlessly. Imagine writing a blog or creating content, embedding affiliate links within. Each click, a potential earning. Each purchase, a victory. Your journey in the online earning realm begins now. Freelancing, e-commerce, or affiliate marketing, pick your path and thrive.